Hey DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating issue, the dreaded P0302 code, which indicates a misfire in cylinder 2. But don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on diagnosing and fixing this problem. Let's dive in. If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0302 code, it means that cylinder 2 is misfiring. A misfire can happen for several reasons, and our goal today is to identify and fix the issue. Pro tips: always let your engine cool down before starting any repairs. Step 1. Inspect the spark plug. Locate and remove the spark plug from cylinder 2. Check for wear, fouling, or damage. Use a gap tool to measure the spark plug gap and ensure it's within spec. If the spark plug is worn or damaged, replace it with the correct one for your vehicle. Step 2. Check the ignition system. Inspect the ignition coil for cylinder 2. Look for cracks or visible damage. If faulty, replace it. Examine the spark plug wires or ignition cables. Look for fraying, burns, or breaks. If damaged, replace them. Step 3. Examine the fuel system. Check the fuel injector for cylinder 2. Ensure it is clean and working properly. If the injector appears dirty or clogged, professional cleaning or replacement may be necessary. Step 4. Clear the code and test. Use your scan tool to clear the trouble code. Start the engine and monitor for any misfire symptoms. If the issue persists, you may need further diagnostics or professional assistance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and fixing a P0302 misfire code. If you are ever unsure about any step, refer to your vehicle's manual or consult a professional. Most of these fixes are things you can do yourself if you're handy with tools. But if the issue is more serious, like low compression or internal engine damage, it might be time to take your car to a professional mechanic. That's it for today's video on the P0302 code. We hope this helped you understand what it is, what causes it, and how to fix it. If you were dealing with this issue, follow the steps we outlined and you'll be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.